So, this series of video classes is about game development with Unity. I'm sure that if you search YouTube for Unity tutorials, you will find hundreds of excellent videos and tutorials related to that. I've learned many things from Brackeys, Lost Relic Games, Game Dev Guide, CodeMonkey, Freya Olmer, and even from Ben Hitter, who made a computer from scratch. This being said, the question is, why my tutorials? Well, why not? And also, why not all of the others I mentioned before? I'm not creating anything new or different. I'm just following a specific path, my own path, and showing you how I make a small game, from the beginning to the end. This series is for a total beginner, from installing Unity, planning, programming, and even publishing the result. The artistic parts of this game, like the 3D models, sprites, sound and music, are out of the scope for this series. This way I can focus it on Unity and Visual Studio. The creation of those assets will be addressed, I hope, in a later series. For now, let's focus on building a game and learn how to think and use the tools to achieve that.